It's Wednesday, June 9th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. D7 here. What a crazy day today. Check this out. The markets popped way up. I mean, we were up well over 100 points on the Dow. We end the day in the red. Check this out. We have the Dow down 0.41%, the S&P down 0.59%, NASDAQ down 0.54%, Russell's up just a smidgen, and then we have the VIX break even for the day, and then after market we are still negative here on a couple of the future indexes. And here we are looking at the S&P daily. This is today, this was yesterday, and I did a quiz. I said, tell me, what is this reversal pattern? A couple of you came up with some great ones. I heard hammer, I heard piercing pattern, I heard thrusting pattern, and one thing, and I think I even heard bullish harami at one point. The correct answer here is definitely a bullish harami, because this is inside the body of the previous candlestick. It is not a hammer because you do not have a shadow 2 times or more that of the body. So it's not a hammer, and the reason it's stretching it to call it a piercing pattern is because we didn't get a gap down. The body isn't below the previous bar. It did close higher than the midsection of the previous bar, so if we did get that, you'd have yourself a good old-fashioned textbook example of a piercing pattern. However, I'll give that to you also. So for those that said bullish harami, and for those that said piercing pattern, congratulations, not too shabby. Anyway, today, this is what we have. We have a higher high, higher low, big run up, stopping right here near the 11 EMA exponential moving average, finding resistance and coming back down. Now, I want to ask each and every one of you, what type of reversal pattern is this candlestick at the bottom of this leg? Be interesting to see what you have to say there. And check this out. We continue. Let me blow it up. Continue over here for today, and we have a negative tick. We are sub-zero, ever so slightly on the histogram MACD. So we are running into some problems. However, I don't think the markets are in that dire of shape, not yet at least, because we're finding some support. Again, if we dropped here and dropped on day number 2, we should have continued down to this support level. We're finding support already. With that said, what we're able to do is bring a trend line from here over. Might still be a little early for that, but by doing that we could be developing what's called a falling wedge formation, which are more bullish and bearish, and would be telling us what we're seeing down here on the bullish divergence here on the MACD. So, all right. So what are we expecting for tomorrow? Gang, I see us either going sideways or up. I'm not convinced that we will close lower than yesterday's, not today, yesterday's low. I'm not convinced that we will close lower than that. I think we'll stay sideways or up. But again, I give you my opinion, and it's not worth anything because I'm not trading what I think is going to happen. I trade what is actually taking place in the markets. Trade with your eyes, not with your mind. Always remember that. All right, at the very time that I'm doing this video, there's exactly 3 hours before I kick off a webinar tonight. I hope you can join us. This is it. Final call for the teachmetehedge.com. Go there, teachmetehedge.com. Sign up, be with us tonight. Not only will you get tonight's webinar, you will get tomorrow's webinar too. Taught by Dr. Jonathan Klein. Myself will be tonight here at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow, it'll be 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then you get a recording of it also. It's usually $197. Not this time. We've knocked it way down. because we think it's hugely important with what's going on in the markets right now that capital preservation is learned and known by all of our users. It is at a discounted price at 97 bucks. You get all that for one low price, and I doubt you will ever see that opportunity ever again. So hope to see you tonight. Take care.